Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. So I have already uploaded this content and I don't know how many people are understood this concept. The coming to background verification, if you return to office, organizations expecting vaccination certificate from your side, dose 1 and dose 2. You can upload the document separately or you can upload the consolidated COVID vaccination certificate. While uploading these documents, you need to submit the genuine documents, not edited one. Don't use your friend's COVID vaccination certificate. Don't edit your name of your friends, okay? And don't use others' vaccination certificate because they will be verifying your COVID vaccination certificate in the portal. So it is open source, no one can validate using your mobile number or Aadhaar number. So be clear on that, don't be crazy and upload the right informations and don't approach any wrong methodology, don't believe anyone. And even there are a lot of templates available, there are a lot of COVID vaccination certificates are available in the Google. Don't download and edit your name, okay? Submit the right information. If you don't vaccinated, inform them. And always you supposed to vaccination has to be done before returning to office, okay? Be clear on that. I repeat, don't upload fake vaccination certificate. That will create major problem, even it leads to termination, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our channel videos, please subscribe and share to your friends. And mail id also available in this video description, and UPI id also available. You can drop mail to me and consulting fee has to be paid. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.